Tang ina, naging English teacher ako. Tapos di naman ako magaling mag-English. Shit, paano to? Basta, hindi ko na lang ipapahalata sa kanila.
Okay, everything. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, if there's nothing know my name here, I know all of you not know my name.
Huh?
My name is
What?
My name is
What?
My name is
What?
Chika Chika Slim Shady.
Corny.
No, I'm just Kidney.
Huh?
You know,
Kidney?
my real name is Bintana. You can call me Sir Bintana.
Okay, Sir Bintana.
But before we start, I just want to remind you all that only in here class, in this class, in me, in this class,